Hey, it's IdkWhatsRc, and in this video I'll be playing Troll Invasion. But unlike normally, I will be doing the repairing mode, so the non-combat way, because my combat stats are pretty crap, and I will probably get a bunch of levels if I do the repairing, because you do get constriction experience, fire making experience, and crafting experience. So I do expect to get a couple levels, and I've never tried it before, so I'll give it a try. So I have no clue if it will be successful or not. I watched a little guide before doing it, but I've never played it myself. If you want a better guide than this video, I will put the link in the description if you want to check it out. So hopefully I will not suck, because I only have one chance per month. And if it's really terrible, then I will simply not do this for the next month. Anyway, so from what I understand, I need to talk with this guy for like 1 billion. Yep. Defend the gatehouse. So if you're not a skiller, I would highly recommend you to not do this, to simply kill the troll. It's a lot faster, a lot more efficient. But I just want to try it out. So apparently the very first thing you want to do is to fill your buckets. I don't know if I need... I'll pick them up anyway. Go upstairs and repair. Repair. Okay, I got no clue whatsoever what I'm doing. I know that I need to repair the thing first. Full. And those are the walls at the bottom of the screen. I'll put this like that. One barricade is destroyed. Give me 1 sec. Okay, this is the destroyed barricade. I need to go down, apparently, and click repair. And by doing that, I think I will get experience. Yeah, I get 10 experience, which is bad. But considering I'm level 1, it's actually decent. And from what I understand, I just need to repair the stuff. Okay, and at the top, walls. Oh my god, the walls are broken. No. I think there's only one. Is there multiple stairs? I think there's only one stairs, which is kind of bad. I'll repair this. Repair that. I'm kind of risking a lot of experience by doing that, so I hope I don't suck too much. Is there a quick way to get here? Because the wall, the stairs there are dead. So I think I need to do the wall run every time I want to repair this part. You can do it. Go. I think your level will speed up how fast you repair the stuff, because this was really slow. And I really think the only way to go up is from this place. And I have no clue if I'm doing a good job. Okay. I got 75 points, so this means I can use an upgrade. I do know that the amount of experience you get depend on the amount of kills you have done, and so far I'm doing very bad. My health is high, so still a good thing. I should probably repair the ballista more often. Come on. Unlit. Oh, I need to lit light. Oh, it fell. Oh, I need to click, then wait. Okay. This is weird. So like I said, I've never done that before. So I suck. And no longer have buckets. I'm not sure if I should use like second wind. Level up! Like at the very end when there's... I'm screwed. So right before getting killed because my health is dead, I use second N and everything goes well. Probably not. Anyway. Level up. So repairing barricade gives crafting experience. That does not make a lot of sense, but whatever. Nope, 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 nope. I think I will use this one and double kill. Because apparently you're supposed to do 1.5k kills in 10 minutes. And I'm very, very far from it. And I think one of the most important thing to repair is the ballista. Because this is what grants me kills. I don't know. This is not the best commentary ever. But whatever. Oh, look. I died. Okay, this sucked. Okay, moral of the story. Kill trolls and don't do the repairing. Anyway, thanks for watching and see ya.